BMW is working on a radical facelift of model X5. And thankfully, no radical design changes. New X5 is getting lots of improved powertrains. So stay tuned and watch my today's video about BMW X5 LCI. Well-known V58 3-liter inline-6 turbo mild hybrid will be upgraded from 333 PS to 374 PS. And there is going to be also new entry-level option 45e with 299 PS. Plug-in hybrid version 45e is rumored to be boosted from combined power output 394 PS to even 486 PS. Current V8 twin-turbo petrol N63 is supposed to be replaced by brand new engine unit M60i. So X5 M60i with current 530 PS V8 twin-turbo N63 will be replaced by new X5 M60i. Power output allegedly 544 PS. X5M will have probably still up to 625 PS. BMW X5 isn't getting some controversial design features. No split headlights and oversized front grille. Traditional BMW fans shouldn't be worried. On the other side, new 2023 BMW X7 LCI won't be so ordinary. Latest leaks confirm that new X7 will have split headlights alike in BMW 7 Series G70. However, interior will get significant improvements. Except new trims and new colors, we will see also new iDrive 8 system. BMW X5 LCI is expected to be introduced in April 2023. Current generation will be discontinued in July 2026. After that, there is going to be successor built on new Neue Klasse platform. Competitors: Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2023 Mercedes GLE facelift, 2023 Porsche Cayenne facelift, and 2023 Range Rover Sport, which will get also BMW's V8. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribe my channel.